How to create a cube in Photoshop using a shape. Now I'm just going to use a rectangle, and first thing, that's rectangle tool. I'm just going to go there, rectangle tool. I'm going to use it just there. You can find it in the toolbar, rectangle tool, and I'm going to use shape option. There's the key thing there, shape, and I'm just going to apply with the current fill. So I'm just going to drag that out. Once you've actually got that, what you can do, you can go to the properties panel, and you can find the properties panel in the Windows menu, properties panel, and you can go and set the size for it. So I'm just going to, oops, wrong area. Width, I'm going to set to 500, and the height, 500 again, 500 pixels. Right, so I've got both at 500 pixels. Then go to the 3D menu and go to New Extrusion from Selected Layer. It's actually done that. Okay, you can just rotate it. You can just rotate using those 3D tools. Just rotate that, and you can see the extrusion depth in the properties now. Set that to 500 as well. You can see 500 there. So you've got 500, 500, and 500. So now you can rotate it. You've got a lovely cube that you can use. You can flatten that. You can go back to the layer menu and then just flatten that and use it as an actual layer very quickly that way. Now, what you can also do, if you want to actually make it slightly different, you can go to the 3D, and that's in the window and 3D. You can go to the scene. I don't want environment, I want scene. And then there's style, and then the properties. And I'm going to go for sketch, it's right at the bottom. Now the sketch is quite nice. You've got a nice sort of sketch. It's not particularly great sort of sketch initially, but what you can do, you can generate from the brush. And you can see there you've got the background colour, which is blue, light blue, and you've got the black as the actual colour of the brush. And if I change the background and then regenerate it again, you have to quickly generate it again, it comes back actually more red than orange. It looks orange to me, but anyway, you can just change that and again go back to the same panel, go to generate from brush again, just apply it and you can see the lighter colour. Now you've still got obviously the black lines. Now what you can do there, you can also go to the brush tool and just change the brush size or the brush itself. So you can just extend that, make it a bit bigger, and then go back to scene and generate from brush again. You can see the brush obviously got a nice, see there. Now there's not much variety in terms, there's no real great features. It'd be nice if there was lots of sort of ways of doing modify. There isn't, but still great for creating some nice designs. I hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.